In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Google Site Analytics. If you've ever wondered how to dig into your website's performance or learn about where your visitors are coming from, you're in the right place. It's easier than you might think, and knowing how to read these numbers can really help you fine-tune your strategy. Let's start by signing in. Head over to analytics.google.com and enter your Google account credentials. This will bring you to the Google Analytics dashboard. But remember, what you'll see here isn't just data, it's insights. Your Google Analytics 4, often just called GA4, property is key, so make sure you select the correct one using the property selector located at the top left of your screen. If you manage multiple properties, double-checking which one you're viewing can save you some confusion down the line. Next, let's take a look at some real-time data. Navigate to the Reports section, and from there, click on Real Time. This area provides a snapshot of activity on your site over the last 30 minutes. It's amazing to see the current active users, understand where they're located, and check out which pages and events are getting the most action right now. This real-time glimpse can be incredibly exciting, especially if you've just launched a new campaign or announcement. Moving on, understanding where your traffic comes from is essential. To do this, click on Reports, then head over to Acquisitions, and choose either User Acquisition or Traffic Acquisition. These reports are like an open door into your visitors' journeys to your site. You'll see if they arrived via organic search, social media, direct input, referrals, ads, or other channels. Knowing this helps you understand what's working and where you might need to focus more energy. Lastly, let's dive into your page performance. Under Reports, choose Engagement, then Pages and Screens. This is where the magic happens for understanding individual page performances. You can find your specific page by selecting Page Path and Screen Class as the dimension. Once you've located your page, you can either click on it or use filters to dive deeper. You'll discover vital details such as page views, the average engagement time, bounce rate, and much more. This deep dive information can really help in assessing what resonates with your audience and what might need a little tweak. And there you have it, a comprehensive journey through accessing and understanding your Google Site Analytics. Knowing how to interpret these figures can transform your approach to managing your website's content and strategies, ultimately leading to real growth. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore each of these areas further. Thanks for learning with us today, and be sure to check back for more insightful tips.